the large unit at heart of Nimman with the mountain view, close to shopping mall and the airport. We are here, Unit 1 at Nimman. Hi everyone, today you meet me Preaw Perfect Homes again. Today we are here at Unit 1 at Nimman. I would like to recommend for this big unit for you. Especially for this room is for 3 title deed and the owner take it together. The total size is 261.87 square meter with 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom on the 4th floor. And this condo have a security, CCTV, gym, fitness, and for pool, stream room for you also. And this is the heart of the Nimman. It's close to Maya and close to the Chiang Mai University and the airport also. You wanna see it? Let's see. Coming inside this room, and I would like to show you about the door. For they have a digital door lock and security screen camera for you. And inside the room, the owner changed the wall to the wall. The gold one and the brown is very nice, and change the chandelier for you also. And coming for this part, you can change it to be the living room or dining area because they already have a kitchen, small kitchen for you, and the fridge and electric stove for you. This room have a 2 ceiling fan and 1 air conditioner. Okay, let's see the next room. Next room is for the bedroom. Coming inside for this room is a bedroom. The owner changed the wallpaper to the color will be drop and the bright from the last room that we saw. And the bed they not include for you, but you can change to the bigger or the like this same. And this part you can change to be the makeup or working space. For they also have a television for you. This room have a big window for you. You can see outside when you wake up in the morning. And coming for this part, the owner take this, change it to the way for go to other room. It's from they walk in the balcony, and let's see the other part. For this room, have a closet for you here, and this part is our bathroom, and this room is really nice. They have a jacuzzi for you, and toilet is changed to the automatic and with the mirror, big mirror. You can for this they have a storage inside, and they have a ceiling fan for you and small sink, and they also separate part between wet and dry for you. let's see the other rooms. And let's see the second room. For this room, the owner changed the wallpaper to like the warm and pink. And this area you can change to be the dining area or living area. They have a built-in for you with the mini storage. You can put and keep your stuff here. And for that part, they also have a toilet for you. But that room, that toilet can walk through from the first room and the second room also. And they have a shelf here. You can keep stuff here. And they also have a fan ceiling for you for 3 fans and with the big air condition. Two air condition for this area is this part for the kitchen. They also have 2 electric stove and 1 hood for you with the big sink and the big storage for you also. You can keep many things, sauce or something like this, glasses around this room you can put inside. And they also have a television for you. And this is the second room. They also have a digital door lock and security camera for you also. Let's see for the other part. For this part, they also have a sofa for you. And this, I already told you that from the first room, the owner building from this part to the walk to other room. You can use for the main part here. If you don't want to come in from the other room, you can walk outside and come in this way and the other room also. And now let's see this room. And this is the second bedroom. For this room, is the owner changed the wallpaper to the red and gold style. They also have the king bed for you. And the big closet for you too. 1 air condition and 1 fan ceiling. Big television for you also. And next, I will show you the big bathroom. And now we are in the big bathroom in this unit, and I want to let you know that for this door can connecting with the last kitchen that I told you, and this have a washing machine and the sink and the mirror with storage inside it for you. And for this part is for keep a water heater from the owner here. And next one, this for the part for the jacuzzi here. Have a bathtub for you with the big mirror and the ceiling fan, and you can hang some towel or clothes here. And next from this, they separate for red for shower, red shower for you also. And next this, I would like to show about this room. For this room have a toilet for you with the automatic system, big mirror for two left and right, and have a storage inside it. And this part have a water heater machine for you also. It's very big inside it. And next one, I will show you about the kitchen for you. And now we are in the big kitchen in this unit. And I will to start for this part, they have a second washing machine for you from the last room that we saw. We have for this other. And this part is for the sink, for clean, for wash something here. And they have oven here, small oven with the storage inside. And this part, they have a electric stove for you also. It's quite big. It's like a whole of this room. And they also have a oven, the new oven for you too. And the second stove with hood for you. And ceiling fan also. Yes, and this the double door for the fridge for you and storage here. You can keep it's mainly storage for you in this unit. And here also, this is also the ceiling fan. And this, they also have a balcony. You can hang your clothes after you're washing here. And now I would like to show the other bedroom for you. Yes, and next from this is a bedroom, the third bedroom. But this room is empty room. You can put more furniture here, the big bedroom here, and the television or platform makeup for after you want. And this room also have a air condition and fan ceiling for you, and a small closet here. And let's see inside it. This room have a ensuite bathroom, and they also have a toilet with the auto system, the sinks, the big mirror with the storage, and this room is connecting to the kitchen, the last kitchen that we saw. And they also have the wet zone for shower. It's really nice unit. And okay, let's see the big living room. And now is the last room, is the living area with the big table with 5 seats for you. And this room, the owner changed the wallpaper to the gold, and they also have a 5 fan ceiling and 2 air condition. And this room is a corner room that you can see the mountain when you walk out here at the balcony. Really nice view. And when you come inside, and I forgot to tell you that they have a double door, the glass one and the teak one. And next this, they also have the big television for you also. And chair for the sofa is included for you. And next from this is the closet, the big one, and on my right hand is the bathroom that we saw on the last bathroom I already told you. And I would like to talk about this room. This room have for 3 entrances for coming here. They have the main from the kitchen, and the next from the bathroom, and the last one from the over there. The owner is make continue and through from the first room, the second room, and the last room. Yes, I would like to talk about the detail of this room again. For this room, 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom with the total size 261.87 square meter. It's on the 4th floor, close to Mayor and Ram Hospital. Here is a good facility. Have a security for you, fitness, and proof for you also. If you want to see this, please contact me here. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my full video. And thank you for seeing my video today. Bye.